Ukraine continues to strengthen its defense capabilities by developing modern weaponry. Recently, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky showed NATO Military Committee Chairman Giuseppe Cavo-Dragone the production line of the latest Peklo missile drones. This visit was a landmark event, highlighting the growing role of Ukraine's defense industry and its cooperation with allies. Zelensky shared details of the meeting on his social media page on X. He noted that he inspected Ukraine's long-range weapons production capabilities with the NATO representative and discussed further developments in the military industry. In addition to reviewing production, the parties discussed the upcoming meeting of the Ukraine Defense Contact Group in the Ramstein format, scheduled for February 12. For the first time in history, the meeting will be chaired by the United Kingdom instead of the United States, which may indicate new shifts in military support for Ukraine. The continuation of military aid from NATO member states was also discussed, including direct investments in Ukraine's long-range drone production. This is crucial for strengthening the country's defense capabilities amid the ongoing conflict. The first information about the new Ukrainian Peklo missile drones emerged in December 2024, when Zelensky ceremoniously handed over the first batch to Ukrainian defense forces. According to available data, the missile has a maximum range of 700 kilometers, and its jet engine enables speeds of up to 700 kilometers per hour. Minister of Strategic Industries Herman Smetana emphasized that this weapon was developed from scratch in just 1 year and is already being successfully used in combat. Peklo is currently in mass production, with engineers working on enhancing resistance to electronic warfare, improving accuracy, and increasing efficiency. Additionally, new types of warheads are being developed to expand the range of possible targets. Interestingly, the cost of producing Peklo is lower than that of the Ukrainian Lutyite kamikaze drone, which had a price tag of $200,000 at the beginning of 2024. The exact characteristics of Peklo's warhead remain classified. However, it is known to be comparable to the warheads of long-range drones, typically weighing between 30 and 50 kilograms. The missile's guidance system is based on an autonomous inertial navigation system with GPS correction. Developers are also working on more advanced guidance methods, which will be integrated into future versions to enhance strike accuracy and reduce vulnerability to signal jamming. The development of Peklo missile drones demonstrates the technological advancement of Ukraine's defense industry. The introduction of these combat units significantly enhances Ukraine's strategic capabilities, while cooperation with NATO further strengthens the country's military potential. Ahead lie new challenges and improvements that will help Ukraine defend its independence even more effectively.